What is up, YouTube? Today we have something very exciting. It's another jailbreak tutorial. We're gonna see how we're gonna have free in-app purchases. So instead of paying for like coins and all that stuff in games, we're gonna get those for free. So the first thing you're gonna want to do in Cydia is go into sources, edit, add, and you're gonna want to add this repo, repo.hackyoriphone.org. Add source. Add anyway. Don't worry if there's any mistakes, just go back to Cydia. So once you have this repo, go on the search bar and type LocalIAPStore, and it's this one right here, 13. It's the latest one, it works with iOS 13. Go on install, confirm, restart Springboard. Okay, so once it's restarted, just go ahead and unlock your phone. There's no configuration for this app, so it's very simple. Also guys, just know that it works with offline games, so server-based games such as Call of Duty or online games, it won't work with those. But it will work with offline games, so I'm just gonna show you how to use it. Go on, for example, Hill Climb Racing, which is an offline game. Okay. Just wait for it to load. Go on shop. And usually there's like the price right here, like 549 euros or something, or dollars. This time you're just gonna click on it, and as you can see, it says you're gonna go and cancel right here, and as you can see, you have been rewarded anyway, and you have 1,000 more of diamonds. Let me just show you that again. We have 4,810 diamonds. Let's go ahead and get this. Go and cancel, and we got, as you can see, it's 6,000 now because we just got 2,000. So guys, sometimes it may just buy directly, you won't have to press cancel. Other times, if you just press on coins, just press cancel when the pop-up to pay comes up, like right here, and you'll get the coins anyway. As you can see, it says purchase complete, and as you can see, my coins are increasing right here. So guys, you just need to press cancel, and it's gonna be as if you actually paid. So that's how to get free coins and free in-app purchases on Cydia. Once again, there's no configuration, just add this repo right here. Once you install the tweak, which once again is LocalIAPStore, make sure you install the iOS 13 version, LocalIAPStore, this one right here. Once you've installed that, you're all good. There's no configuration. It works as simply as that, just as I showed you. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.